It's just a cot, that's all it is. Or is it maybe not? I could sing, I could do anything. I want to show you something. Want to stand like this. Today is not about music. Today is about this. A few years ago, I won a martial arts tournament. With just one pin, and only one pin on my mind. To win. I haven't entered in years. But I can still do this. Even with this. That is correct. Like I lost too bad. I can still do this. Or this. Or this. Or this. Or this. Or that. Or this. 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 Or that. Yes, I exercise every day. I still do this. I still do karate every day. Just like Chuck Norris. Or Ultraman. Or I play music every day. It makes me happy. From watching Dragon Ball, I became the real Wolfgang Fist, the real Yamcha. And I can do this, this, Wolfgang Fist. I don't need the long hair. Why do you think I wear a wolf shirt or the wolf jacket? I am the real Yamcha. Wolfgang Fist. Yes. Why do you think I call myself the wolf? Because I am the wolf. I do. Very much. You can copycat all my moves. And you can be a wolf, just like me.